club like, what up, it's me and Lindsay Style. I'm so pumped about some swag from the thrift shop. Ice on the fringe, it's so frosty. The people like, whoa, that's a cold TT. Rolling deep, headed to the mezzanine. Dressing all pink, set my gator shoes, those are green. Draped in a leopard mink, girl standing next to me. Probably should've washed this, smells like R. Kelly sheets. But wait, it was 99 cents. Copping and washing, about to go and get some compliments. Passing up on those moccasins, someone else has been walking and brought me a grungy effing man. I ain't starting to Boston and saving my money, and I'm really happy that's a bargain. I'ma take your grandpa's style, not for real. I'ma take your style, velour jumpsuit and some house slippers, dookie brown leather jacket that I found digging. They had a broken keyboard, so I bought that broken keyboard. I bought some blankets and a mouse as a reward to say hello, and to take a photo. John Wayne ain't got nothing on my French game, no. I can take the pro wings, make them cool, sailed up. The sneakerheads be like, ah, he got the Velcro. I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm looking for a come up, this is something I saw. I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm looking for a come up, this is something I saw. What you know about rockin' a wolf on your noggin? What you know about wearing a fur fox skin? I'm digging, searching right through that luggage while another man's trash is another man's come. Thank you, granddad, for donating that plaid button up shirt, cause right now I'm up here and I wanna flirt. I'm at the Google, you can find me in the on sale. I'm that sucker searching in that section on sale. Your grammy, your auntie, your mama, your mammy. I take those flannel zebra jammies second and I rock that even better. The built-in onesies with the socks on that even better. I hit the party and they never stop, even better. They be like, oh, that Gucci, that's so tight. I'm like, yo, that's $50 for a t-shirt. Limited edition, let's do some simple edition. $50 for a t-shirt, that's just some ignorant business. I call that getting swindled and tricked. I call that getting swindled by the business. And that shit's really dope. And having the same one as 6 other people in the club is a no-no. Beat the game, come and take a